He said it's a terrible tax, a terrible tax on the working class. And I said, the vast majority of people go into that district, take public transit. You're going to have to give me $15 billion to invest in a subway system then. If I lose $15 billion that we're able to leverage with the money brought in by congestion pricing, that I won't be able to fix the stations and the repairs and the new buses I need. And I said to everybody, and when he sent out his Trump is the king picture in the paper, if you saw that, the cover, what they tweeted was when he said, long live the king, when he killed congestion pricing. I said, you know what? I need this to work. I need this to work. And we cannot be dictated to by someone who calls himself a king.